Hi, everybody. My name is Richard Cromwell. I am an additive manufacturing applications engineer here at GoEngineer's Auburn Hills, Michigan office. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the waste collector in the Stratasys J55 PolyJet 3D printer. Eventually, the day will come when your J55 will let you know that your unit's waste collector is getting close to full. It does so by notifying you in two places, by flashing the perimeter around the waste container capacity graph, as well as on the warning alert of the alerts page. For this procedure, you're going to need the waste container box, the waste container bag, and the cap for the container that you'll be disposing of. To assemble the waste container, insert the nozzle of the bag through the hole at the top of the box. I like to use the waste container cap that will eventually be put on the full waste container before disposing of it to hold the nozzle of the new bag inside the box. Before closing the box, make certain that the bag is free to expand once it's being filled with waste material from the printer. You want to open the material cabinet and remove the full waste container off of its shelf below the materials and place it on the floor in front of the unit. Unscrew the cap with the waste tube from the full waste container, being cognizant to not twist the tube. Take off the new cap that you placed on the replacement waste container and transfer it to the full container, closing it tightly. The full waste container is now ready for disposal. Now take the cap with the waste tube and screw it tightly to the new waste container. Close it tightly and then slide the new box onto the shelf, being sure not to kink the waste tube. And that's it. Check the waste container level on the materials page of the machine's UI. You are ready to get back to printing.